Now let's see how we can take advantage of this vector form. Suppose Q1 is plus 4 coulombs and Q2 is plus 9 coulombs. Q1 is located at 1, 2, 4. X, Y and Z coordinates of the position of Q1 are given by 1, 2, 4, and let's say that of B are 7, 6, 5. A, its position is given by 1, 2, 4 and position of B is given by 7, 6, 5. Now we need to find force between these two, and if you don't want to remember that R cap and R vector form, simply do what? Force is required on Q2 and force is coming from Q1. We need force on Q2 by Q1. Vector has two things. First, magnitude. Let's write down the magnitude. Value of K is 9 into 10 to the power 9 multiplied by Q1. Q1 is 4, Q2 is 9 divided by separation between A and B. Separation between A and B is AB. Square of this separation. And now look at the direction. Since both are positive, plus 4 is going to repel Q2 from A to B. A to B, for that you write AB cap. Let's see how we find AB cap and AB. Vector AB can be calculated with the help of this formula. AB is position vector of B minus position vector of A. Position vector of B minus position vector of A. And how do you write position vectors? It's a very simple thing. Position vector of B, this is 7, 6, 5. You write 7 I cap plus 6 J cap plus 5 K cap. X, Y, Z, I, J and K minus position vector of A. Position vector of A is 1 I cap, 2 J cap and 4 K cap. So let's write it 1 I cap plus 2 J cap plus 4 K cap. And then this is 7 I cap minus 1 I cap, which gives you 6 I cap plus 6J minus 2J, that is 4J cap. 5 minus 4, that is simply K cap. That's your AB vector. This is AB vector, and then you know how do we find magnitude of a vector. For finding magnitude, we simply do this. I cap, its coefficient is 6, square of 6, square of 4 and square of 1. That gives you 36 plus 16 plus 1. Now that's the magnitude of AB, which can also be written as simply AB, which we are using right here. Now this is the magnitude and this is the vector AB, and then you know how did we calculate AB cap. For AB cap, we do this. We take AB vector and then we divide it with its own magnitude. So that gives you AB cap. Now AB is here, 6I, 4J and K. 6I cap plus 4J cap plus K cap divided by the magnitude part, 36, 46, 52, 53, root over 53. So that's your AB cap. This is AB cap, and then that's how you will complete the answer. 9 into 10 to the power 9 multiplied by 36 divided by AB. We already calculated value of AB. AB is here, root 53. If AB is root 53, its square is what? 53 multiplied by AB cap. What is AB cap? AB cap is this, 6I cap plus 4J cap plus K cap divided by AB, which is root 53. Now remember, this thing is what? First we wrote the magnitude part, K. This is Q1 into Q2 divided by R. What is R? AB. What is AB? Root over 53. Square of that, it's 53. And then direction from A to B. A to B, that direction is given by AB cap. And AB cap we have obtained here, which completes the force on Q2 by Q1.